Hello, guys, and welcome back to English Stories, the podcast where we share inspiring tales to improve your English skills. I am your host, CK, and today we have an amazing story for you. Get comfortable, relax, and let's dive in. Jack, a young traveler who had always dreamed of exploring Europe, after saving up for months, he finally booked his ticket and embarked on an unforgettable journey. Jack had always been fascinated by history, art, and culture. As he wandered through the streets of Paris, Rome, and Barcelona, he felt like a kid in a candy store. Every landmark, every museum, and every local dish was a new discovery. One evening, while strolling along the Seine River, Jack stumbled upon a quaint little cafe. He decided to step inside and try their famous French onion soup. As he waited for his order, he noticed an elderly man sitting alone at a nearby table. The man, noticing Jack's curiosity, introduced himself as Pierre. They struck up a conversation, and Jack learned that Pierre was a retired artist who had lived in Paris all his life. Pierre shared stories of his youth, of the war, and of the city's transformation over the years. Jack listened intently, mesmerized by Pierre's wisdom and passion. As the evening wore on, Pierre invited Jack to join him for a walk along the river. They strolled in silence, talking in the city's breathtaking views. Suddenly, Pierre stopped and pointed to a small, unassuming building. That's where I met my wife, Pierre said, his eyes twinkling. We were young, in love, and full of dreams. We would sit on the riverbank, watching the sunset, and imagine our future together. Jack's heart swelled with emotion. He felt honored to be sharing this moment with Pierre. And that's the story of Jack and Pierre's unforgettable encounter. What's the most unforgettable memory you have made while traveling? Share your stories in comments below. Thanks for listening to Unforgettable Memories. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiration stories and English lesson. See you soon. Take